In the jungle of Jamboree lived a lion, Lallu, who sneezed constantly. Achoo! Echoed hourly, scaring birds, monkeys, and fish. It was hat day, and Lallu's sneeze blew every hat off. The animals angrily confronted Lallu at his cave. "Your sneezes are too strong," voiced Momo the monkey. "I think I'm allergic to dusty jokes," Lallu confessed, sniffling. Animals realized their jokes were old and dusty for Hat Day. They switched to fresh, clean jokes, avoiding allergies. Momo told a new joke: too many cheetahs for lions to play cards. Lallu roared with laughter, but didn't sneeze. From then on, jokes stayed clean, hearts even cleaner. Moral: laughter is healthy, especially when fresh and kind.